Have you ever tried the viral carnivore chocolate? It's packed with fat and protein, and most importantly, zero sugar. Making it is super simple using my Tastee air fryer. The texture comes from pork cracklings and bacon bits, so I start by making those first. My Tastee heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and keeps the grease contained, which makes the whole process cleaner than cooking in a pan. While making these, you can also get a good amount of bacon grease. It's really good stuff, and I always save it so I can use it to add extra smoky flavor to my other dishes. Next, I melt the butter and pour it into a silicone mold to shape the chocolate. Then, just freeze one layer of butter first, add the bacon and pork cracklings on top, and finish with another layer of butter. Once everything is set, this carnivore chocolate is ready. Simple, filling, and perfect to share with your friends. Want more easy carnivore recipes like this? Check out the link in bio.